How do we look cute? Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome to my world. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a collective try on haul. Comment down below if you like the new backdrop. We have stuff from Forever 21, Fashion Nova, Romwe, some China sites. I haven't even seen them online. First, we're gonna start with Fashion Nova. First thing I got, this bustier top, size reference. This is an extra small. And it just has the clamps on the back. There's a lot of them. Looks like this. This was originally $40. And this one was 13, like 12 something. What is it called? Spoiled Rib Tank Top, and it's extra small as well. And I just got it because it says spoil on it. Pink to me, a baby bubblegum pink. Originally $12.99, but I'm pretty sure since I had a 25% off discount, ended up being like 10 something. Orange camel two-piece set, because sis has a photo shoot coming up. First is these pants. These are not pants. These are short, like they look quite short. And it looks like that. These are the bottoms. This is the jacket, and I could just see me wearing this with like some all black Vans, and the set itself is $50, but I got it on sale and it was like 15. And I know it's like, I live in Michigan and it's still cold. Why am I buying stuff like this? But it's like, I have faith in spring. Next thing I got is a gift, and it's on a hanger, and it's this fur coat. I have a little bit of a collar. There's like buttons on it. You can button it. There's pockets. And this is like one of my favorite jackets at the moment. Next thing also was a gift, and it's from Fashion Nova as well. This has a tag on it. It was $30, and this is an extra small. And in the front, it like has a little chest out, but it's off the shoulder, and then the back has a little line across. I have so much stuff I haven't worn. Why do I keep shopping? It's a sweater from Fashion Nova, and it's just a cozy sweater, and I've worn this to work before. It's so comfortable and so soft, and I don't remember how much it said this one was, but I just know this was from Fashion Nova as well. Next are these high-waisted jeans. Fun fact, wear size 0 in jeans. A lot of people don't seem to think so by my pictures. So they're just these high-waisted dark denim jeans with rips in them. The last thing I have from Fashion Nova is this bodysuit, and I definitely want to order more. It's like a v-neck ribbed type bodysuit, and it's so soft, like, oh my god. And it's V in the back too, like, come on now. Winning! This. Well, these two neck shirts, I do not know exactly where they're from because my best friend got them for me for Christmas. This one says, Black girls got the juice. So yeah, it just looks like that. Plain, basic tee. Next one is this brown sugar babe shirt. Like, I forgot I put this on like a wish list of stuff I wanted. She's texting me right now. Yeah, like, I'm all about melanin. Black people love it. Okay. Next two shirts I got are from Romwe, and they're still on that same train as like Black Thoughts stuff you probably seen on Instagram. And it's just melanin shirt, and this is from shirt because I have the same shirt in black, but I got small on these and they fit perfectly fine, as you guys will see. So I got it in pink and black. Dang, I just hit y'all and then I turned y'all, and then life's crazy now. Next, Forever 21. I got this black t-shirt, and it says blessed in gold because if you guys don't know, I believe in God. I believe he's there. I believe I'm blessed. And this is my favorite shirt. I already have a stain on it. I wore it once before. It's just this sweatshirt, and it's nude, and it has a pocket right here. last thing I got from Forever 21 that I've had so long that I didn't even take the tag off is this dress that was $10, and it's a bodycon like midi dress. What did I get at first? I got this mauve color bodysuit to match everything, $5.99. And guess what else I got it in? I just like nude, and these shoes I just bought. Last thing I got from Rainbow was just this little watch to go with that blush pink bodysuit, because I have, hold on, it was 50% off. If it was already $10, it was $5. Because you know you can find Nike anywhere, like at Nike outlets. You can find it at Foot Locker, Finish Line, whatever. But it's just this peachy nude Nike hoodie. My bestie Boo got me that, so she got this together. And then the next thing I got are these baby pink Vans. If you guys can't tell, I have to lint roll them, like. Those are those shoes. Yeah, they're just these Vans in the color Frappe and Vans. And these were on sale for $55, I believe. And then the last pair of shoes, I don't know where these are from because they were a gift, but they're these rose gold boots. I haven't worn them out. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Now I've practiced walking in heels in them. That's as far as I've gotten. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you had patience to stay to the end, thank you so very much. You are greatly appreciated. I've just been working like crazy, trying to upgrade my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys next time.